Hello, this is Andy Quick, and this is an introduction video to explain the Automation Anywhere client software. When you download Automation Anywhere, depending on whether you have a purchase version or a trial version, when you install the software and you launch the software that you're launching is called the Automation Anywhere Enterprise Client, and you'll notice that will be the icon that will be installed on the desktop. And when you open it, the first thing you'll see is this screen. Again, the title is Automation Anywhere Enterprise Client. In this group over here, this window, you'll see this list called My Tasks. So the way a bot is described in Automation Anywhere language is tasks. So a bot is a task. So if you hear me say a task or a bot, I mean the same thing. They're actually stored as a type of file with the extension .atmx. And so this window, when you first open up Automation Anywhere, this will be blank. And as you build bots, this list will fill up. So these are just a list of bots that I've created over the last year or so. On the left side, you see a folder structure. You'll see the word tasks, and you'll notice the folders My Tasks, My EXEs, My Scripts, My Docs. This is a folder structure that is automatically created for you. This folder structure is actually mimicked on your computer. So, and you can actually do things like open it. There can be subfolders here, and you can actually go to where that is on your computer. And I want to show that to you because it's important that you know what this folder structure looks like on your computer. So on this one, it is under my name. It's going to be under users. The directory is going to be c:/users/your username, my documents, Automation Anywhere files, Automation Anywhere, and then My Tasks. And these are all of the different task bots that I have created. And you can see that they have the extension, it's ATMX, and the type of file that they are is, this says Automation Anywhere task file. So that's the actual type. So these are the actual bots that you create and that you actually run. Also in your task list, if you want to go to find out where that file is on your computer, you can click on any of these. You can right click and you can click on Locate on Disk, and it will bring you right to that file. So it's very handy to know. Some of the buttons on top, you have New, Record, Run, and Edit. Automation Anywhere has two types of licenses. One is a bot creator, one is a bot runner. This is a bot creator license. This is a bot runner. The only thing I would see on here is this run. A bot runner license only allows you to run bots, whereas a creator allows you to create and run bots on your computer. So we'll talk separately about the different types of those different types of licenses and their use in a separate intro video. But for now, just know that difference. When you want to create a new bot, you're going to create new. And the first thing it's going to ask you is to choose an option: Smart Recorder, Screen Recorder, Web Recorder, Task Editor, and this Help Me Automate. Even though some of these look gray, they're actually all active. Just because they're gray doesn't mean you couldn't click on them. Generally speaking, a lot of the exercises that I'll show you will just be using the task editor. We'll talk about recorders in separate videos. So if I'm going to start a new bot, I just want to start basically blank. I'll click the task editor, and it will open up another application called the task editor. And the task editor is actually the software that you use to build the bot. Here you have a blank canvas. See, this is all blank. And the way Automation Anywhere works, on the left-hand panel, there are a list of commands. Some of these have a plus by them, which means that they're expandable, and some of these don't. And if I were to want to use one of these commands, I would simply drag it over like a message box. I'm holding down my mouse, I'm dragging it over. And then when you drag it over, you'll be presented with an option, and you configure the command. When you're ready to run the bot, you click Run. Notice when I do drag a command over and I configure it, hello, before I can run it, I have to save it first. Save it first. So I click Save. I'll call this Test, and I'll click Run. Now the run is activated, and I can run my bot. And sometimes it takes a minute for it to actually get going. There you go. Hello. And that's a very quick overview of the enterprise, the Automation Anywhere client software and task editor. Thank you.